This is my final look, guys. I'm in love with this look. I don't know about you. So if you're watching, please don't forget to comment and like and hit that subscription button, and also ring the notification bell in case if I'm uploading, so that you won't miss out the upload. Okay guys, so I just decided to create this look today. There's nothing fancy. I'm just chilling at home. Yeah, I just finished taking a bath, and then I just decided, let me create this wonderful look. So let's get into the video, okay, without me talking too much. I'm confused with two foundations, and I want to try the new techniques to apply these two foundations without wasting any of them. This one is too darker for my skin tone. Now I used this, I bought this in winter, and my skin was so dark. Even like now my skin is too dark. As I said it before, the reason why I have stopped using this shade, the shade is coffee. It makes me like, if I'm using this shade, I would look gray, so it's not good for my skin anymore. And this is warm caramel, and I don't know what kind of look that is giving me, but it's not the smooth look. But after a while my face looks different. I don't know if maybe it's me or I'm just not sure, because I want to pick good products that suits my skin tone. I don't want to keep any foundation that I'm not using, so I want to make a use of every product that I have. So I will be applying these two foundation on my face. I have applied a coconut oil into my face, and then I let it sit for a while, about like 15 minutes. Then after that I apply this L.A.GIRL cream from Isabella Garcia. It's a daily moisturizing cream. So this is what I used. I also let it sit about 7 minutes, and then I set my face with the areas that I produce oil with this setting powder, which is in the shade caramel. I have not applied any foundation. I made my brows. Okay, so now I'm going to test this foundation. This is how the foundation looks like on its own, without concealer and contouring. So now I'm going to contour with this one here. Clothes, guys, don't think I'm not wearing anything. I'm wearing a bodysuit, but it's just that I put the arms out. So now I'm using this shade Toffee to contour my face. this is how it looks like when I have highlight and contour and set my face with a powder and a setting spray. So now I'm doing my eyes. So I will prep my eyes with this concealer.